Hello everyone. It's 7:20, one more hour for the submission. Yeah, we want to do the demo for you right now. So the purpose of this demo is to show the user flow. Some data are mocked, and United 24 is used just as an example. Hopefully we can target them and partner and share the infrastructure with their devs. So we did code it, the UI layout for all the screens you will see, except the governance website. We did a few APIs and integrated it into UI. So here on this page, this is the first page, a fundraiser can create a campaign here, a campaign. You can see there are two icons of address scan and another one of the tally. So address scan, so once the campaign is created, there will be two addresses. So those are addresses. First one, the wallet where you will receive funds, and the tally is for the governance. Yeah, let's move on. So here, a fundraiser can create the campaign, and the data for the NFT and for the governance can be added here. And also a fundraiser can set up the tire. So for example, if you want to, can you scroll please? Scroll down. So the tire, let's say like you want to create two packages. First one for people who donate less than 500 euros, and another tire for people who donate more. Yeah, and also you can see that we have a choice to create an NFT or create the security token. That's the plan for the future. Currently, we're not supporting security tokens. Yeah, so once you click the button create, it takes around 40 seconds for blockchain to process a transaction, and you will receive two addresses back. Yeah, so the next step, once you create the campaign, you can ask users to go on your website and read more about your campaign. So you can see there's a photo, there's a description. We are explaining different tires with benefits. Also, we have added some object information, right? Like you need to share information with potential donors about timeline, payment schedule. Please go through the FAQ. We have answered some typical questions you may have about our product and blockchain in general. So in this page, there are two CTAs. The first one is donate, and the second one is governance. So if a user wants to donate, yeah, we haven't done the whole flow because, let's say, usually the fundraising websites, they integrated the payment solutions already. So we just show it for the demo purpose. So let's say a user will enter the wallet address here and click send. After that, once per day, we do minting in batches. So that address will receive the NFT. We can show that NFT to you right now. Vlad can explain a bit more.
Yep. Welcome here, Vlad. So we have this thing that we call dynamic NFTs. As we stated before, we have different donation tiers, the donation tiers, and if a user donates twice or more to the same fundraising, he doesn't get another NFT. Instead, he still has this one NFT, but it changes if a user surpassed some kind of donation amount, which a fundraiser sets. So here in MetaMask, it's very easy to refresh the NFT. You basically press on additional settings, you press the refresh metadata button, and here we can see that the whole metadata and the whole NFT is refreshed and changed. So that's the dynamic NFTs.
All right. Yeah, as Vlad said, like we are updating the metadata and adding the value, right? There is a value of amount of token. So based on the amount of token, we do the governance. So can you please open the tally?
Yep, here is
So
the
yeah,
tally.
currently we integrated with Tally, and in the future we can build our own API and governance contract. So the fundraiser right now can use Tally and create the DAO there, and also so that they will create a DAO and create a proposal. When you create a proposal, you need to request amount of ETH you want to, or like amount of funds you want to withdraw. So the goal is that, let's say you fundraise $1 million and you want to use 200,000. You create a proposal, explain why you need that money, and add all the documents here, and then your community, the people who own the NFTs, are going to vote. So if the vote will pass, then we release the funds. There are a few other rules, like let's say the max voting power. We will cap it at 10%, for example, or let's say if people are not going to vote at all, like the activity will be very low, we should decrease the consensus threshold as well. So yeah, like I know that there might be plenty of questions on how we do governance, but unless we try, we don't know what's the best metrics we should target for the community governance. Yeah, have I forgot something?
I think that's it.
Yeah. Thank you for the attention. See you in the metaverse.
See ya.
Bye bye.